Hello everyone. We are back. Ashanti Fan Tree lesson. Today we are going to learn about an interesting word in tree. I'm sure most of you have heard parent. If you're a parent, I'm sure you've used the word before. And if you're a kid, you've heard your parents saying to you, especially kids that love to talk. Talk. They don't give you a break. And the word is talkative. Talkative. And the tree word is Kasap3foo. Let's repeat it. Kasap3foo.
Kasap3foo.
Okay, so I have an American who you heard her voice in the background. So repeat the word Kasap3foo.
Kasap3foo.
You see, this is what I always tell you guys about slanging. You see how an American says it, Kasap3foo. That's not how we say it. We dropped it down. It's short. We don't slang it. Kasap3foo.
Kasap3foo.
Okay, so she's still saying Kasap3foo. You know, that sounds nice, but we want to say it in a true way. Kasap3foo.
Kasap3foo.
Okay, so the word again is Kasap3foo. Kasap3foo. All right, we're going to learn another nickname, I should say, that we say in Ghana as well. Instead of saying Kasap3foo, we have a way. Some people see it as a joke, and some parents say it so that the kids doesn't get offended. And we say it Kasapolo. Oh yeah, Kasapolo means ope kasa dodo. Someone who likes to talk too much. Ope kasa dodo. We say it Kasapolo. Do you like it? Kasapolo. Kasapolo. Now let me hear the Americans saying it. Kasapolo.
Kasapolo.
Okay, so now because polo is a brand in America, it's easier for you to say the polo, like you're playing polo game or the polo brand. So let's say Kasapolo.
Kasapolo.
All right, everyone. So today, this brings to the end of the lesson. Practice it. Let me know how you say it. Kasap3foo or the nickname Kasapolo. All right, take care. Bye.